Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Duke Energy EV charging programs, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Duke Energy EV charging programs, first, visit the Duke Energy website. Locate the section dedicated to electric vehicle programs. Look for the specific program that suits your needs, such as the EV charging station rebate or the time of use rates. Click on the chosen program for detailed information. Review the eligibility requirements to ensure you qualify. Next, gather any necessary information, such as your account number and vehicle details. If you're a new customer, create an online account on the Duke Energy portal. Fill in your personal information and set up your login credentials. Once your account is established, log into the Duke Energy portal. Navigate to the EV charging program application section. Complete the online application form with the required details. Upload any supporting documents, such as proof of vehicle ownership or installation receipts. Submit your application for review. After submission, you will receive a confirmation email regarding your application status. Be sure to check your email regularly for any updates or additional requests from Duke Energy. Once approved, follow the instructions provided in the email to finalize your registration. If necessary, connect with Duke Energy customer service for any questions or issues. Finally, start enjoying the benefits of your chosen EV charging program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.